Okay. Have you completed your last week's assignment? Hello.
Hello?
Have you completed your last week's assignment?
The drone?
Yeah.
Yeah, my drone's finished.
Okay, share your screen. I think it's still not completed, right? I asked you to add some features like stand and surveillance camera, right?
Oh, okay. Alright, then I'll just. Okay, then. Wasn't able to get to it. I had a lot of school homework.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Um, okay, what about your proposal, your project proposal?
Well, I have one idea for my project. I
Okay.
was thinking, so we have at my house we have an erg, which is like a machine where you sit. It's a rowing machine where you sit there and you pull the bar, and it's like you're pulling an oar. And it can be used for workouts and stuff, and has a tiny little monitor on it you can use to keep track. And then later that day, I saw a commercial for Peloton, which actually has a big screen on there that you can use to watch classes as you're biking. So I thought, what if I made a stand you could stick on top of this tiny little monitor on the erg that you could slide your phone into and turn it into like your own little Peloton screen.
Okay. So you don't have any pictures and slides for that?
No.
Okay.
So fine, Liam, up to which you have completed your progress, whether
What?
you whether you gathered some information regarding your project. Liam, could you share me?
Yes.
Yes,
What?
actually, you have said that you are just going to do a project, right?
Yes.
Have you gathered some information regarding that? Why? Because today, uh, actually, you want to submit some progress report, right? Up to which you have completed your project.
Right.
So that's why I'm asking. Some have you gathered some information like I've completed my project like 25% to 30% like that.
No, not yet.
Okay, what actually you have just selected the title, right?
Repeat that again. I couldn't really hear you.
Okay. Now can you hear me?
What?
Yes, actually you are now just saying about your project, right?
Right.
Yes, that's the thing. I'm just asking whether you have confirmed with your project and you are just going up in this way itself, or you are just asking suggestion from us.
Um. Sorry, I can't really hear you. I need to turn my volume up. Say that again.
Um, just a second. Liam, just see the chat. Okay, can you explain your proposal again? And I hope you are just going to choose a project.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to 3D print a structure which you can slide on to the top of an erg, a rowing machine. It's a workout machine like a spin bike. So you can slide your phone into it and watch either like show or instructional I can't talk today instructional video while you're rowing. Like it's so you can watch video while you're rowing, either to entertain you while you're rowing and maybe take your focus off of how tired you are, or to get technique instruction like you can get from a Peloton because it has a giant screen on it. So if you just find a way to attach your phone to the top of the erg, you can do that too. And that's what my project is going to be, to create um, a structure you can slide onto the top of the monitor and then slide your phone into on top of that. and I'm thinking maybe it'll be adjustable, so you can adjust the grips and so you can adjust them depending on how big your phone is. So it's not one size fits all.
Yes, okay, fine. But actually, Kumar said us to go up with the problem which we have in a daily life, right?
Well, since a lot of people are stuck at home and don't have a way to work out, this could help a lot of people.
Okay, okay, good, fine. Do you have any slides to explain this?
No, I don't have any slides. If you want me to spend class today making some slides, I can do that.
Okay, fine. But in the next class, you just try to make a presentation regarding your project. Okay.
Regarding my project idea, okay.
Okay, fine, fine. And Liam, if you have any, if you need any help regarding the design, you just contact us in a forum of Bytes and Bots. There we can just share our information and you can get suggestions from us. Okay,
All right.
fine.
Let's see.
And fine. Liam, do you have any doubts regarding that OnShape, regarding any tool like that?
Do I have any what regarding it?
What?
Do I have any what regarding it?
You're asking about recording?
Never mind.
No, actually, I'm asking you whether you have any, actually, if you have any doubts regarding any particular, with any particular tool in OnShape, you can ask me so that I can help you to learn that.
Okay.
Fine. Do you have any, do you have any
Not
questions regarding that?
not at the moment. I'm sure when I start building this thing, I probably will, but at the moment, no.
Okay, okay, fine. Great. So actually, as per your project, we can connect a mobile with a spin bike, right?
Well, it's not a spin bike. I was comparing it to a spin bike because the Peloton it's a spin bike, but it also has a big screen on it that you can use to watch instructional video. But most ergs, which I mean, I just made it to onto a crew team, and as our exercise machine for our workouts, we use ergs, which are basically the same thing except for it's for rowing, and it's like instead of you're riding a bike in place, it's like you're pulling an oar in place. But most of these don't have those big screens and instructional videos that the Peloton has. So if I made a mount that you could attach to the erg and then mount and then slide your phone into, you can watch those. You can watch those kinds of videos and get those kinds of instruction on your phone.
so that it will be helpful for the people to learn the instruction and do the process, right?
Yes.
Fine.
Can you share your screen, Lem, and just Google it and show us what exactly you're talking about?
Okay. Let me set up some images for you so I can explain what I'm talking about. Okay. Okay. All right. Let me show you. All right. So this is an erg. What you do with it, how you use it, is that, or maybe this isn't a good example. What if I'm gonna find a bigger picture? All right. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So here's a Peloton. It's basically just your average spin bike. But what makes it unique and what made it so popular is that it had it, and why people liked it so much more was that it had a giant screen on the front that you could use to learn how to use the Peloton and learn how to get instruction on how to bike properly and get instruction on workouts. But an erg, which is a rowing machine, it doesn't have that. It just has this tiny little monitor that's like smaller than your phone, that's only in black and white, and it only shows a few statistics. It's not, it's useful, but it's not as useful as having a big screen like this you can use to practice. So my idea is to create a phone mount kind of like this one and design it so it can specially fit on the screen of an erg.
Okay, got it. Aravind, you have any questions?
Hello guys. Hello. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay. I am Harindan, one of the member of Bytes and Bots India. So this is your project, right? You are going to do it.
Right?
Okay. What's the innovation you are going to do it? You already have the model, right? So is there
Basically,
any?
yes. And I have an erg at my house that I can use to take measurements too.
Okay.
Okay, Liam, actually, it's a good idea. You just try to make a slide next week. Okay, then only we can just record your presentation and we can use
Okay.
it for future purpose. If you have any suggestions, you can ask us in forum. Okay,
All right, gotcha.
fine.
So you are doing, I mean, you are going to design a mobile stand for ERG machine, right? Hello. Hello, Liam. Can you hear me? What happened?
I can hear you.
Okay. Aravind, go ahead.
Liam? Hello? Liam? Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but
Hello?
it's kind of faintly. You
Okay.
gotta kind of speak up a little bit.
Okay, I have some problem with my mic. Okay. Uh, what's the innovation you are going to do? So you said you're going to take some dimensions, right? So what is the difference from the existing model and you? Yeah.
Yes,
So what's the difference from the existing model and you?
that mine is specially designed to fit on the top of the earth because existing models of phone holders are designed to kind of fit either in a cup holder or just on a large flat surface. But
Okay.
the top of an erg machine is not flat really and isn't always so big. So mine will fit on the erg, and while you're working out, the erg kind of it shakes a lot because the you're pulling the bar. So a normal phone holder would just topple right off, but mine will be specially designed to fit on the top of the machine, and it won't.
Okay. So next time, it is good to do some conceptual art so we can visualize, right? The basic design you can do it in 2D sketch or something, so we can see how it's come.
Okay,
Do you understand?
I
Okay, okay.
understand. Yeah.
Okay. Um, let me share your screen and go back to the OnShape page.
Okay.
Open the drone design, not a new one. Open the drone.
Okay.
So now we are going to design, sorry, you are going to design the stand for this drone.
All right.
Okay, John, can you help him?
Liam, I will just send you a email. You just share that particular file with that email. Okay, first.
All right. All right. What's the email? Okay. C. Control V. Share. All right. Shared the file with you.
Okay, fine.
Okay, share your screen. Okay.
Oh wait. No, I forgot to do something. All right. Let's see. Um. Let's go back to sweep. No, no, I don't want to. No.
You can use the mirror, right?
Hey, I'm having a problem here. Can I have some help? Ugh. Can I have some help, please? Oh, there we go. Oh, I've got it.
I can't see your screen. Hello.
Sorry, I had a screen share error. I'm trying to fix it.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Why do I have so many? I need to go to Task Manager and close something real quick. All right, there we go.
Okay. Okay, instead of lines, try to use splines. Use spline curves.
Let me show you here. So this is how I've got the landing gear here. What? I have a drone at home. Drones don't usually have three. They have two. They have two little blades. So I'm gonna change the circular pattern. wait, oops, sorry. I'll try that back up. Drone rotors don't have to be that long. Let's make these a little bit shorter. Hey, where did my bottom things go? What happened to those? My stands just disappeared. They're on here. So why aren't they on here? What the heck? What's going on? Can I have some help here? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Can I have some help? I don't know why.
Okay.
So if you look on Part Studio 1, I have now my camera and my little my landing gear, right?
Okay.
But and I know that this when I go here, there's no landing gear, just the camera. And I know It's not that I imported an earlier model of it because I actually made the landing gear before I made the camera. When I imported it over, the landing gear just disappeared, and I don't know why.
Mm, create a new assembly and try with.
All right. Yeah, you see, it's not there.
Mm, Part
Doesn't work with the
Studio.
new assembly either.
Go back to Part Studio. Okay.
What is going on with Sketch 1? Jeez.
Use Boolean to make it into a single part.
This and this. All
No,
right, Boolean. Oh, use Boolean to make the entire thing into a single part? All right.
which is next to the
Where is it? Oh, there it is. I found it.
like part 2 and part 3. Okay, click enter.
All right, these are surfaces
Oh,
I need to add these to. And add. What's going on with Boolean 1?
I think you cannot select the surfaces.
Well, then how are we supposed to get them to show up?
Delete the surface under. Okay, now click enter. Yeah, now it works. Now move to the assembly. Okay, now move to the new assembly. Delete that one.
Yeah, it still doesn't work.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I think it has maybe something to do with Sketch 1.
See what's that? Yeah, I think you have drawn a line. Delete that line. Delete that straight line.
So which one?
Yeah, that one. The line
Which
you drawn
one?
for the stand. You
This
that
one?
one. Yeah, this one. That and delete.
But it still doesn't work though.
What is the bicycle flying on the screen? Shows us red color. Hello, does it works?
What?
It is working or not?
It is not working yet.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, now you can see my screen.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, I just used the spline tool to draw the stand. Okay. Spline and loft.
But why can't I just use sweep though? I make a few straight lines, and then I with a curve on each of them, and then I use sweep. Why doesn't that work compared to spline?
It work. Actually, what's your question?
Why doesn't um why doesn't the Well, why doesn't it work when you use a spline in a loft compared to when you use um, straight lines with curves and at the ends, what you call it again? It's straight lines with fillets and a sweep. Why doesn't that work?
But you cannot design like this when you use lines and curves. Wait a minute. Okay, when using spline, you can also edit the reshape it using these 3 points. You cannot use it in the lines or curves.
I know you can use that tool, but that's not exactly what I'm trying to do. I want a perfectly straight line down with a curve at the end that leads to a perfectly straight horizontal line with another curve that leads to a perfectly vertical line again.
Okay. Liam,
Yes.
first, please share your screen.
Okay. I still can't get this thing to work. Like it shows it here, but it doesn't show it here. And now I just have more errors. Got an error here, error error here, and an error here. Assuming it's because I have a boolean here. I should just delete the boolean. I think that'll make the errors go away. No, what is going on? What is going on? I don't get it. Should I like make a construction line between those 2 points?
Edit sketch one. Okay. But it still shows sketch 1, sketch 5, sketch 3 as red color.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
Tried it with sketch 5. Okay, click and delete that constraints. That red colors. Click on it. Delete that. Click and click OK. Okay. Go to sketch 1,
So that's what I
sketch 3.
need to do.
Yeah. Go to sketch 1.
Sketch 4,
Delete that one.
deleting constraints. I don't even know how those constraints got there in the first place, honestly. Okay, and here there's something I have to delete, except for I don't know what it is. Some constraints are not applicable. So I'm assuming that's the same error as the last one, but I don't see any glowing red constraint error lines. So I don't really know what's going on.
Click OK. Click the green check mark. Okay, still it shows as sketch 1 as red color. Okay. Mm. Now go to the assembly. Okay, go to the part studio. Okay, do one thing. Share this to my mail ID and give
Share
edit.
this to you.
Yeah, give edit access.
All right, I'll send it to you. Share. All right, it's shared with both of you guys now.
Okay.
What needed to be removed there?
But everything is right. I just deleted the 4x and 3x. What's that actually?
Huh, okay, cool. So that's all that needed to be removed. So let's check out assembly 1 now. Or you just delete all of it and retry. You know, maybe you'll just make a new assembly and try us here. Okay, so insert. No, it still doesn't work. So something else is going on here.
I think you have used the loft as solid surface loft. You have to use the solid loft. Sorry, the solid sweep.
So I use surface sweep. I have to use solid sweep.
But it shows as
Uh,
surface. See, you have used selected a surface. So
So I have solid now.
okay,
All right, it works.
yeah, because you selected the surface, that's why big problem.
Okay, so it
See,
needed to be a solid.
yes. So I didn't see that. So the stand, your stand should be in solid. Okay, that's all. In home, try use splines instead of these lines. Okay, make it bigger because it's a small stand. Try to use with spline.
Okay.
While sketching spline in that plane, use point normal plane or yeah, offset plane. Anything you can do. Like wait a minute, let me show. See my screen.
All right, I can see your screen.
to on this surface of the. Okay. Then I draw construction line.
Okay, construction line.
Use point and I put one point on this here.
Where? How? Which sketch is it?
Okay.
No.
And then I mirror that using mirror. Sorry, it's mirror.
Okay.
Mirror
Let me
line
see here.
and then this point. Okay. And click OK.
Oh wait. So here, let me give me a
So now
second
I'm
here.
going to sketch a curve on this point. So see how to do that. Go to plane, select plane. Instead of offset,
Wait. Are your lines a specific distance?
which line?
Your construction lines, are they each a specific distance, or are they just construction lines?
It's a construction line.
All right.
Okay. In the plane, instead of offset, go to plane point. This one, plane point. Select plane point and select the point.
New plane.
Select
Plane.
point
Wait, not point normal.
and
Plane
then
point, and then wait.
parallel
What
to
do I select?
what's question?
Wait, what do I select then?
Oh, okay. Wait a minute. Let me tell again. Go to the plane. Okay, and
Plane
then
point, and then
select
what do I
plane point.
select?
Okay, select the plane. I mean, select the first select the point. This point. Okay, this point and the
Point.
parallel plane. The front plane is parallel to this point, so select the front plane. Now see, yep, the plane is created on that point. I hide the top, then only you can see it.
S-
Okay,
So wait.
yeah,
So I make a plane, a vertical plane on which point?
on this point that I created, this point.
That one.
Yeah.
Okay, I already have that point there. So I
Uh,
put
in the sketch, you can see. Wait a minute.
what the heck? Why isn't my plane loading? Is it like
See here, um, next to the spline, the tool called point. You can add point on any of the surfaces using this. Okay.
right? But I basically already have a point on those places. Is it like a between 2 points?
Um, you can add any. Sorry, I didn't understand your question. Okay, when I click sketch and sketch on the new plane called plane one.
Wait. How do I? No, I don't have the new plane though. Wait, how do I get that? Because it's not doing it when I put it on those points I have. It doesn't work.
The shadow screen.
So here we go. I have my 2 points selected, but it still doesn't work.
Because you already have a stand, just start with a new one or delete that stand and start from the first. I'm teaching you the alternative way of designing the stand using spline. Just listen and do it in your home. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now create new sketch and sketch on the new plane.
I don't have the new plan,
That's why I teach just now. I teach you how to create the new plane.
but my plane doesn't. I put it on the point, like you said, and it doesn't work.
Wait a minute. Let me show you again.
So yeah, you have your 2 points.
Okay. Now I don't have any points. Okay. I'm going to sketch a stand which is parallel to the front plane. Okay. So I'm going to sketch points on this surface. So create sketch and select
Right?
the select
And you
the
make points. I already have
select.
points there, so I don't need to make new ones.
Okay.
So I can just make.
Sketch on the surface. Sketch of the face of extrude one, and then
Yep.
click point. Here is the point. Click point, and add the point anywhere you can. Just click on it like this. See, the point is created.
Oh, you make a sketch on the face of extrude one.
Face of extrude one, and then using the help of the mirror construction line, you can get the
All
mirror
right,
output
wait.
of
Let me add the point.
point at this point.
Okay, give me a second to add the point. All right, 1 point, 2 point. What? Why? Is there a way to get them like exactly on the little space right there?
Do one thing. Create a new part studio and just try how to add points on a surface. Just draw a square and extrude it, and just add points on that.
Okay, new part studio. Okay. Okay, I make the points. Now what do I do?
Extrude the square and then add points on the extrude.
Okay, so sketch.
A small square.
Make a square. And I
Extrude.
extrude the square. Make a new face on the face of the extrude. I make the points. Deet. All right, now what?
Okay. Now complete the sketch. Click the green check mark.
All right, green check mark, and now what? Make the
Go to
plane.
plane. Create plane.
Plane point.
Just select the point and the front plane, and then select the front plane.
And
Sorry,
then I
not the
select
top.
the front plane.
Select the top plane. Sorry,
Oh, top plane. Okay, not
plane
front.
which
You
is
want
parallel to that point. Okay,
top
parallel.
plane.
Top plane is parallel. I think you have selected. There's also some error. Just click on the plane one. Delete the vertex of sketch 2 and sketch 3.
What?
You have selected vertex of sketch 2, vertex of sketch 2. Just delete that.
I thought I made the points. These are the points.
Okay. now click the point
I
and then
clicked the point.
now click the top plane. Now click OK.
All right, now I have a plane there. Okay. Let's try it over here.
Okay, like that you can sketch in that point. Draw a spline or the plane with
Wait,
the
I
limit.
need to do something here. I need to make a construction line upwards. All right. 5. What the heck? Why can't I still use it? Why can't I put it on the point?
Make sure you have selected the face of that.
Okay, so I have the point. Now let's get the plane here, and then select the top plane, and I have. Or maybe I need to select the front plane.
Wait,
Front
time is
plane.
taking.
Nope. Top
Just
plane. But then why doesn't it move anywhere if I select the top plane? It just like moves to the side.
see my screen.
I can see your screen, yes. I can see your
So
screen.
now, okay, so now I have the point. The next step is just go to the plane
And
of software, select plane
plane
point,
point, right?
select point,
Then I select my
and
point.
now
And then
I
I
need
select the plane, the front
not
plane.
that is the thing right plane, right.
Right plane. Okay, so then I select the right plane, and then I get my plane, my new one.
The plane which is parallel to this plane is created. So according to your sketch, you can select the plane. Because I'm going to sketch here. Let's see my cursor. I'm going to sketch here, so I selected the right. So if you want to sketch somewhere else, you have to create the correct plane.
Okay.
Just show you an example. So now I have the point and the plane, the face, and click the new plane one. Then I use the spline from the point connecting the spline like this. Just draw a small curve. An example. Escape. Now see the
I
curve
see
is
it.
on the curve is on this plane. So draw a circle and then loft it. That's all. And you can also mirror that while using sweep. make sure you have not using new, sorry, use new of add, so that you can mirror that. If you add that, it makes into a single part, so you can mirror this. Okay.
All right.
Okay, that's all. If you have any questions, you can ask. Also, try it in your home. Um, don't add more constraints in the stage that will show some error often. Okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you. All right. See you next week.